What's up, guys? It's your boy, Mr. Hoods. On a cheat day, like today, Saturday, I get to eat whatever I want. Like fast food, sweets, cake, ice cream, whatever I want. But usually I eat pretty healthy. But today, I went with a Whopper, a Hooper. Most Asians call it when they first get to America. But no, a Whopper. And this is how I eat it. Here's my Whopper, my Hooper. I just flip it over, sesame seed bun on the, this is sesame seed bun, the top bun. I take the bottom bun, and I always throw it away because it soaks up all the oil from your burger. And I ain't gonna eat that shit. Oh my gosh, that's gonna fucking, bro, that's gonna be all over my belly. Either way, this right here is bomb. It's one of my favorite sandwiches in the whole world. And how I eat it is like a tostada. I hold it like this, right? Just like a tostada. And then I eat it like that. Easy out these two hands, but I'm using one because I'm recording myself eating this thing. I ain't gonna lie. It's bomb like that. Wow, the shit all over my mouth. If you eat Burger King, try this. Get a Whopper, take the bottom oily, nasty bun off after it soaks up a bunch of oil from your burger, and then try it. I think you might probably knock 100 calories off of your Whopper just from doing that. So, whoever's out there on a cheat day, treat yourself to whatever you want, but remember, still be health conscious about the calorie intake. Other than that, bon appetit. Oh.